Azure follows a shared security responsibility model where Microsoft is responsible for the cloud infrastructure and services security. At the same time, customers are responsible for securing their data and applications deployed on Azure. As a customer, you are responsible for securely using Azure services and following best practices for securing your applications and data. This simple matrix shows the various responsibility of customer with respect to Azure when it comes to different Azure models like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In this aspect, Azure offers a wide range of platform as a service and software as a service offerings that can help you offload some of the security responsibilities, allowing you to focus on your core business problems. For example, when using Azure Platform as a Service or Software as a Service services like Azure App Service or Azure SQL Database, Microsoft takes care of the underlying infrastructure and platform security. That includes physical security, network security, and patching. At the same time, you are responsible for securing your applications and data built on top of these services. Azure provides built-in security features and configurations you can leverage, such as Azure AD for authentication and access management. Similarly, you can use Azure monitoring and logging for detecting and responding to security incidents. However, it is important to understand that even with these services, you are still responsible for configuring and using these services securely. You need to follow the security best practices and regularly monitor and manage your resources to ensure ongoing security. Microsoft provides extensive documentation, guidelines, and tools to help you understand and implement the shared security responsibility model.